Unakoti haguri Darbar Nogni bagwi khorok char chichar LDC Achukthaini bagwi koktisalo Koilashwar hangor Darbar Nog eba Church Complex o songsajakha type test koktoma manusuk hastini kring amsini shimi khorok chadra bahai borok type test ni bagwi registration khlaika koktoma thumi buskango Unakoti hangor Judge Prakash Kumar Shaka khorok char chichar LDC Achukthaini bagwi thanai 2021 bisini January tani nichibu sharmaribo written test khlaimani Amzumungo khorok thamra charra buri chitam amzumo rinairo asuka aboni bisingo khorok chukura doksidok type test ni bagui qualify engka dini kokdisholo Koilashwar Darbar ni complex type test ni ni bagui phaibika joto amzumung qualify engnairo.
Good morning. Today, recruitment for the type test for the post of LDC is going on, and this examination is for all over Tripura. This examination written test was taken on 24/1/2021, and today is the type test. Total candidates who have appeared in the written examination was 3,843, out of which shortlisted candidates were 966, and this post 86.
It was 88.
Total post was 88, but this is subject to increase. Till now, almost 300 candidates have already appeared in the examination, and registration of almost 805 candidates have been done. And the candidates who are waiting in their respective blocks, they will come and they will give their examination. Total blocks are from A to B, A, B, C, D, and E. And we have also made provisions for the guardians, and provision is made in the town hall to wait. Lastly, I would like to thank the administration, especially SDM Unakoti. I would also like to thank CMO Unakoti, fire service. I would also like to thank my staff, my colleague, brothers and sisters,
SP.
and SP Unakoti for providing security. Thanks to all.